Alright, we're back out here at Devil's Millhopper. There's a nature trail that runs around the brim or top of the actual sinkhole itself. So we're gonna take a quick walk around here and see what we can find. I don't think there's a name to this trail, it's just called Nature Trail. But this just goes around the top and will lead us back to the education center. For those of you who've never been to Gainesville, I want to remind you that this is like right in the middle of Gainesville. So, surrounded by the big university and all the traffic and everything like that, you've got a nice little wonder of the world like this. Well, probably not wonder of the world, but you know what I mean. Maybe one of the 7 great wonders of Florida. Just kind of cuts through the pine trees here, little pine forest over here. And right over there is Devil's Millhopper. You can actually hear the water running a little bit from here. The waterfalls. Like I said, this just goes around the top of Devil's Mill Hopper. Just cuts right around the top of it. As you start to come out on the other side of it, you can see here where the trail here starts dropping down again. Pretty good drop down there. I don't think I'd want to fall down there. You can hear the water running, waterfalls. Alright, there you have it. This takes us back to the education center, so you have it. Devil's Mill Hopper Nature Trail, Gainesville, Florida.